you'll text 502-795-1997. All right, 795-1997. I want to play for you a little clip of audio, okay?
Okay.
I want you to know beforehand, there is nothing naughty, nothing at all.
Nothing
inappropriate about what's happening in this audio.
Okay. It's going to be misleading.
Well, I don't know. Will it?
Okay. If you have to say that, I'm guessing yes.
Well, I'm just saying that I'm not going to try to do a quick trick on you and play something that
would get us in trouble?
Right, exactly. No.
Okay.
So anyways, all I want you to do is identify what's happening in this clip.
That's it. Good. Yeah. That's it. Stay close to it. Stay close to it. That's it. Don't be in a hurry. Don't be in a hurry. Stand up. That's it. That's it. Don't worry.
Inside your body?
Don't be afraid. You can go a little bit. That's it.
Oh my God.
That's it. Release that. Fight it. That's it. That's what you're here for. Fight it.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Beat it up. That's it. Don't give up now.
Again.
Oh, wow.
Again, there was absolutely nothing inappropriate about that.
Right, but I am sure that audio could be lifted and put under many different videos. Many.
Oh, shoot.
Inappropriate videos. Oh, wow. Okay, so that has to be that. Oh, Elena, that's a really good guess. A chiropractor. That could be a chiropractic visit.
Yeah.
That could be. I was thinking it was maybe working out or like yoga
Jackie
or something.
said weightlifting. Yeah, I see that. I hear that.
Yeah, that could be.
I've tweeted the video, by the way, at Ben and Kelly Show.
I don't know if it's a chiropractor though, because the coach, if you will, sounds very, very soothing and not like he's exerting any. So, in the chiropractors, they're doing the work, right?
That's it. Stay close to it. Stay close to it.
Oh, I'm so uncomfortable.